Smyrna, Sardis, Thyatira, Pergamum, Philadelphia, and when he gets to Laodicea, it doesn't say churches, the church of Ephesus, Smyrna, Sardis, Thyatira, Pergamum. All of those churches, it's to the angel of the church.
Viewers, why I think that has a relationship to the letter of Thyatira in Revelation chapter 2.
Yeah.
And taking
vineyard, but I believe it's very, very significant because I believe that the letter to Thyatira makes allusions to this.
Ephesus, to Smyrna, to Pergamos, to Thyatira, to Sardis, to Philadelphia.
Manna to eat, to Thyatira. And he who cows and keeps my works until the end, to him I will give power over the nation.
Angel of the church in Thyatira write, these things saith the Son of God, who hath his eyes like unto a flame of fire, and his...
In judgment, Ephesus, Pergamos, Thyatira, Sardis, and Laodicea. Some observations quick. In Smyrna, in Pergamum, in Thyatira, in Sardis, in Philadelphia, and Laodicea. Those are all
which are in Asia, to Ephesus, to Smyrna, to Pergamos, to Thyatira, to Sardis, to Philadelphia, and to Laodicea.